Yeah, it's This is a very new one. Make sure you dive on. So let's just get started. If you are new to this channel, just subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these projects. So this one is called Tune Nation. Tune Nation. So let's start and look at how it looks like. Let's start in the bot. Okay. Now that is intrigued. Let the fun begin. Okay, let's keep this part. I actually don't have the time to meet your character. What vote? And okay. So upload your picture and you are going to get 5,000 of their coins. That is quite a lot. Let's skip for now. I think since we can do it later. What to choose famous instead of watch AI transform something. I would rather choose Elon Musk. I want to get very rich. So continue. My avatar will be updated. And this is how it looks like. I think this is very, very nice. It is still very new. It is my first time hitting it. So you can earn, invite, upgrade, exchange. Okay. And your coins are counting down here. That means you can collect it at any time. Great. That is nice. And maybe you can upgrade your wallet. Okay, to the one that it can hold, the limit that it can hold, you can increase it so that when you are away, it can hold a lot for you. Then that is upgrade. And then you can upload your own photo and then you can change the avatar. That is nice. Now, N, various way to earn. Let's click on N. And these are stuff that you have to do to earn. I think move coins for 20 minutes after your wallet gets full. Okay, so I think there are a lot of them that we can do. Invite one friend, top up vault, upgrade your vault. I haven't done that. I think I did that. Oh, error. Okay. Well, once your wallet gets full, move the coins to the vault to continue farming. Okay. Invite one friend. Level up your wallet. Have I? Yeah, sure. That worked. So I think this is everything. You are going to get a lot from the end part. Let's go back to, okay, we have specials. So this one is daily. Okay, so we have the specials. Follow them on Twitter. You are going to get something. Follow. I'm not sure I want to go there. So let's try if it will work. I didn't subscribe anyway. It worked. So you can do the rest. It's so nice. Achieve a login streak of 30 days. Okay, so your streak is going to count. I mean the number of days that you enter. That is fine. That is very, very fine. Very fine. Okay. The invite. Okay, you get one-time payments up to 5k tokens and 20% bonus based on. So this is the benefit of inviting your friends. So you can just copy the link and share with them. I think that is okay. Upgrade. So these are the stuff that you want to upgrade. The speed. You can upgrade the speed. I think that is okay. Or I am more concerned about the speed anyway. And then the wallet limit, we've already done that. The vault capacity, I think. Okay, that requires a lot. Oh yeah, so that is that for now. Exchange, I don't know what this is going to be. Okay, it is coming soon, so there is not much on that one. And that is that for this one. If you are new to this channel, just hit subscribe, and then the link is in the description of this video, and then I have the link to our community there in case you want to keep up with the future updates. Just join our community on Telegram and then on WhatsApp, and then I'll give you everything that you need as they come by, especially when the exchange is in and stuff like that. See you soon in the next video.